Hi everybody, and welcome back to another video from yours truly, Texas Decor and More. So this video is take down the fall clean with me, because I am a Halloween lover and I want to decorate for Halloween now, and I've only got a certain amount of days I can get stuff done. So with that being said, I'm taking down fall, and I'm going to have another video uploaded sometime this week with my Halloween decor. So I just kind of wanted to show y'all. This used to have some stuff above the sink, and I'm about to wash dishes. So I need to take this curtain down, and I'm going to replace it with a black curtain for Halloween, of course. And then this scarecrow here, this is the only thing that I have left up for fall. It's this scarecrow. I don't know if I'm going to leave him up yet or not, but I need to take that down. And of course, I've already taken, I had a fall sign that was right there. That's down. These curtains are going to be changed out to Halloween curtains that I found on Amazon that you will be seeing in a new video. So yeah, I had something that was a fall wreath that was sitting right here. That's down. I had something on that wall. That's down. Stuff on the microwave. That's down. My table has completely been cleaned off. This is my china cabinet. Everything's gone from the china cabinet. If you wanted to see what my fall stuff looked like, I did a fall home tour, so you can go back and watch that video to see how I had everything decorated for fall. So yeah, I had this market sign. It needs to go back up. It fell down while I was taking fall stuff down, so it fell down. So I need to hang that back up. I need to wipe this off. I need to sweep and also mop the floor. So we're going to be getting that in this video. And then of course, here's all my fall stuff. This tote needs to go in my room, and this tote also needs to go in my room, because all this is stuff that I had up in the house. It never looks like a lot when I put it up in the house, but then for some reason, when I put it in the tote, it's like, oh my god, I've got so much crap, I need to get rid of crap. But no, I keep on buying stuff. So yeah, I'm going to be washing some dishes in this video, wiping things down, making everything a nice clean slate. I'm going to be taking this curtain down and sweeping and mopping, so if you want to stay tuned for that, please do so. And we're going to get started on the cleaning process.
Time is standing still as I let go of your cold hand. Eyes are wet but lips are dry, and all the things we'd planned were never what you wanted. We've been lying from the start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. Oh, but if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. Oh, I had a million different things to do, and every one of them included you. We had a million different things to do. What can I say? Well, I've been lonely too. Lying on my own, the sheets are covered in your scent. Really tried to fall asleep, but I can't understand. Though we both felt kinda lonely, I still always thought you loved me. When I tried to let it go, the sheets are covered in your scent. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. said if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. Oh, if it was never what you wanted, we've been lying from the start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand. Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more, but tells a lot of stories about her youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But her shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old. Smiles they fade because her dad only visits once a month. Since she got a family of her own, it's kept the two apart. Used to have so many visitors, but now the only one is the nurse that helps her move the chair to look out at the sun. But her shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old.
Start lifting weights because I'm real weak right now.
You are. The more you move, the tighter the grip gets.
Okay, so I put that up, and this is just kind of a preview of how everything's looking. And this is the start of Halloween. I've got my curtains up. I put this up on top of my microwave. Right there. And then I've got this up. It says come in for a spell. So I am working on Halloween, guys. This is how my hutch is looking. So it's a start, it's a beginning, and this is how the kitchen looks. So yeah, I gotta go rummage through, pull some totes out, but this is gonna conclude this video, and it was fall takedown, clean with me. Oh, one more thing I wanted to show you that I have up. I put this up in the kitchen. It says beware. So this is what it's looking like. Y'all stay tuned for the next video, because I'm going to be putting out some more Halloween decor. Please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching Texas Decor and more.